Easy, easy. Align the shaft.
Listo.
We are set. Good job, everyone.
All right, bring her past the line. Stop on my mark.
Detach and secure the gear.
AGT 1500 gas turbine engine arriving. Honeywell turbine on specialized cart. AGT 1500 gas turbine engine arriving. Honeywell turbine on specialized cart.
All clear on the left. Keep it steady, watch the line.
Tactical gray standard Air Force paint application. Low visibility scheme. Multiple layers. Controlled drying between layers. Matte military finish. Tactical gray standard Air Force paint application. Low visibility scheme. Multiple layers. Controlled drying between layers. Matte military finish.
Gun elevation mechanism installation. Hydraulic cylinders for raising and lowering barrel. Electric motors and gears.
Easy now, center her up.
Got the alignment, boss.
All right, start the wrenches. Lock it down hard. Easy now, bring it down 5 degrees starboard. Copy that, watching the clearance. Lowering slowly. Thermal sleeve installation on barrel. Insulation preventing barrel warping from sun. Maintains accuracy in all weather. Black protective covering being applied.
Precision machining of threads. Threading and fitting of brake. Torque testing of attachment.
All systems nominal. Sending final approval now.
Received. Nicely done.
Chrome lining application inside barrel, extending barrel life, resistance to heat and friction, precision coating process, quality control inspection following.
Electric heaters being installed on leading edges. Pitot de-ice system. Protection for adverse condition flight.
Stand clear. Firing sequence initiated.
Blast complete. Confirming no deformation. All systems nominal.
Fuel lines being connected between tanks. Transfer pumps. Automatic management system. Tubing running throughout aircraft.
Cannon and barrel being rifled with smooth boring finish. Suited for great first barrel.
OBOG's oxygen generator being installed. System extracting oxygen from air. No need for oxygen cylinders. Advanced life support technology.
121 millimeter 56 smooth bore cannon manufacturing. Separate facility showing gun barrel.
Clear on the inside?
Affirmative, engineer.
Good. Locking mechanism engaged.
Anti-skid brake system being calibrated. Wheel speed sensors. Computer preventing skidding on landing. Critical technology for safety.
Main gun mounting bracket fabrication inside turret. Hev steel cradle being welded. Recoil mechanism mounts. Precise alignment critical for gun accuracy.
Aircraft on hydraulic jacks. Gear being retracted and extended repeatedly. Bay doors opening and closing.
Main gears being installed in wings. Large wheels for varied runway operations. High-performance brakes. Retraction system being tested.
Lower it slowly now.
Alignment confirmed.
Securing fasteners on the left side.
Turret fabrication area. Separate assembly line. Turret shell being constructed from rolled steel. Cylindrical turret body taking shape. Different station from hull production.
Landing gear being manufactured in specialized area. High-strength steel structure. Hydraulic shock.
Aileron deflection confirmed. Elevator response nominal. Rudder sweep left. Synchronization is within tolerance.
Suspension arm mounting points being machined.
CNC mill cutting precise holes in hull. Torsion bar suspension mount.
Wingtips receiving rails for AIM-9 Sidewinder missiles. Aerodynamic fairing installation. Wiring for missiles being routed and tested.
All moving horizontal stabilizers being installed. Pitch control system. Total surface movement for maneuverability. Powerful actuators installed.
Hold it right there, bring it down slow. Copy that, steady in the load. We're clear on the left side, keep going.
Vertical stabilizer being hoisted. Rudder installed with actuators. Communication antennas integrated in tip. Mounting of characteristic F-16 tail structure.
Alignment is perfect. Laser scan confirms tolerances.
Confirmed. The pins are fully seated and locked.
Alignment is perfect. Laser scan confirms tolerances.
Confirmed. The pins are fully seated and locked.
Adjusting to specification. Confirmed alignment. Lock it down.
Ailerons being coupled to wings. Hydraulic actuators connected. Fly-by-wire system commanding surfaces. Movement test. Instant and precise response. Trailing edge flaps being installed with precise hinges. Hydraulic actuation system. Leading edge slats for lift control. Movement tested manually.
Fuel tanks being sealed in wings. Total internal fuel capacity. Leak tests with pressurization. Penetrant liquid verification.
We need to verify the torque settings on this joint before the next phase.
Steel plate inspection station. Checking thickness with calipers. Ultrasonic testing scanning for internal defects. Zero tolerance for material flaws.
Okay, lift it slow, watch the clearance. Clear. Taking it to the north yard.
Auxiliary power unit being installed. System that starts main engine. Emergency electrical generator. Compact but powerful auxiliary system.
Hydraulic pumps being connected to engine. 3,000 PSI high pressure lines. Mil-spec hydraulic fluid being filled. System that drives control surfaces.
Variable exhaust nozzle installation. Moving pedals controlling exit area. Afterburner system for extra thrust. Materials resistant to extreme temperatures.
Intake ducts being decoupled. Distinctive shape of ventral F-16 air intake. All right, easy now. Bring it down 10 centimeters. Watch the starboard side gap, hold it there. Bring it down slowly, steady as she goes.
We are aligned on the forward mounts.
Roger that, engaging pins now. We are aligned on the laser. Hold it right there, secure the clamps.
East Asian ignitions clean and inspect rear compartment. Mounting verification. Anti-corrosion compound.
Check the angle on the starboard section. Looks good. Holding steady at 90.
We have a hydraulic pressure drop on section Gamma.
Rerouting the servo controls now. The bypass is engaged.
Electronic countermeasures pods being installed. Radar warning sensors. Chaff and flare dispensers. Critical defensive systems for combat survival. Radio check on channel 3.
Lima Charlie, IFF is synchronized.
Installation of color multifunction displays in cockpit. Head-up display being mounted. Fly-by-wire control stick installed. Modern glass cockpit taking shape.
We have a solid connection across the array.
Initiating the calibration sequence now. Monitoring for anomalies.
Diagram shows this harness goes over the hydraulic line.
Yes, use the blue zip ties for that section.
All parameters are within spec.
And confirmed. Approved for the next phase.
Rear section with engine mount being joined. High strength being tightened with controlled torque.
Hydraulics engaged, pressure holding steady at 3,000 psi.
Electrical systems check complete. All parameters nominal.
Alignment check on frame 42, please. Schematic confirms alignment. Looks good. This is the section from the co-producers.
The yellow primer looks consistent with the specs. Let's verify the attachments.
Engineering, confirm status of Block 70 hydraulics test.
Testing complete. All parameters green.